So I bought this 2011 BMW 328i for $9,000. It needed headlights, exhaust tips, somebody stole the exhaust tip, and it needed front struts. And there were a few other little things it needed, oil change, that kind of thing. I made the repairs, and now I have about $10,000 into this car. I drove it for a year, and I loved it. It's kind of fun owning a BMW. They drive great, quiet, awesome little car. And it's beautiful. It's a good-looking car. Most of my friends thought it was brand new. It only has 92,000 miles on it. The question is, can I clean it up and sell it for $14,000 after driving it for a year and pocket $4,000? That's my goal. Subscribe, find out what happens. Here's the cleanup and detail and final reveal. Okay, so the BMW is in the garage. It's all washed and clean. I'm going to do a quick wax and buff and make it super shiny. Get rid of all these little scratches you might not see on there, but there's some little scratches in it. Mostly clean the interior. You can see it is quite filthy, dirty in here and full of trash. And so I'll clean that. But most importantly, it's been driving me nuts for about a year. I want to get this tape off the window where someone had put a license plate in the back window. And I want to get rid of that. And clean the wheels, of course. And clean the glass. And get it ready to sell. Okay, so it's all vacuumed out. There's not any real terrible stains in the carpet anywhere. It was just a lot of dust and dirt and debris. I got the trunk pretty clean, but the floor mats are super nasty. So they'll take a little bit of work. I'm going to shampoo these guys and make them look nice. Okay, I got the inside looking good. All shiny and new, nice and clean. I did end up doing a little bit of carpet shampooing, but the floor mats are going to cover up huge amounts of them. And so it should be fine. And speaking of floor mats, I got those all cleaned up. They look good. And now I'm going to do some waxing and buffing.
All right, here we go. The lawless borders of the West puts the country's toughest sheriff to the test. He's gonna nail their hide to the wall, shackle men headed to their downfall.
Okay, the BMW is done. It is ready to go. It looks good too. So it's pretty awesome. The paint buffed and waxed great. The inside, floor mats are in, seats are clean, looks great. It's a beautiful little car. So I'm all ready to post on Craigslist and get this thing sold, and this light comes on. It looks scary. I start Googling, and turns out there are about 800 different codes that can come up. Fortunately, mine was a warning because my battery was low, because the car had been sitting a lot this winter. It's not a great car in snow, so I had not been driving it very much, and the battery was just kind of dead, or not even dead, but just low. I put it on a trickle charger overnight. Problem solved. It got dark. I was wanting to get some glamour shots of it out in the sunlight. So what I'll do is probably tomorrow morning, drive somewhere nice, get some pretty pictures with it, and get it on Craigslist.
Riding tall through the canyons of the mall. Way out west, they got on me. Earth and wind and fire, they got on me. For justice too, they call the man Ohio. place to hide, no place to run. He's gonna get you with a stun gun. It's a true story. It's a true story. My buddy Rex spent 6 hours in a restraint chair down there with his stick hood on. You got your mind right, boy? That's about, I got your mind right.